The sum is mth term of AP is n and nth term is m. Find the rth term. Mth term is n and nth term is m. You have to find TR. So mth term is A plus m minus 1d and nth term is A plus n minus 1d. So Tm is n. So n is equals to A plus m minus 1d and m is equals to A plus n minus 1d. Now we have to solve this for A and D. So we will subtract them. Is n minus m is equals to this and this will get cancelled. You will get m minus 1 minus n minus 1 into bracket D. N minus 1 is m minus 1 minus n plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. N minus 1 m minus n d. You will take minus 1 common here. You will get m minus n is equals to m minus n d. This and this will get cancelled. D will become is equals to minus 1. Now we'll try to find out A because we have already got D. So now we'll try to find out A. So I'll substitute D here. So n is equals to, because Tm is n, A plus m minus 1 minus 1. N is equals to A minus m plus 1. A is equals to m plus n minus 1. Now TR is A plus R minus 1D. So that is m plus n minus 1 plus R minus 1 minus 1. M plus n minus 1 minus R plus 1. Cancel. So your TR is m plus n minus R. So this is your answer. The nth term of the series whose sum to n terms is 5n square plus 2n. The nth term of the series. So they have asked you to find out Tn when Sn is already given to you. They are asking you to find out Tn when Sn is 5n square plus 2n. Sn is sum of first n natural numbers. So I will find out S1. It will be 5 into 1 square plus 2 into 1. That is 7. So in the 10 sum, they have asked you to find out Tn when Sn is given. So I will find out S1. S1 is nothing but T1, sum of first term. Sum of first term is the first term itself. So your first term is 7. Then I'll find out S2. S2 is T2 plus T1. And that will be 5 into 2 square plus 2 into 2. So that is 20 plus 4. Your answer is 24. Now S2 is T2 plus T1. So 24 is equals to T2 plus 7. Because T1, that is the first term, is 7. So T2 is 17. Similarly, I'll find out T3, S3. That is T3 plus T2 plus T7. So that will be, S3 will be 5 into 3 square plus 2 into 3. That is 5 into 9. That is 45 plus 6. Total is 51. Now S3 is 51. T3 we don't know, but T2 plus T1. You know T2 plus T1 is 24. So what is T3? T3 is 27. So your first term is 7. Second term is 17. And third term is 27. Obviously A is 7 and D is 10. Tn is A plus n minus 1D. 7 plus n minus 1 into 10. 7 plus 10n minus 10. Your answer is 10n minus 3. This is your answer. And they have already given you the answer. C, 10n minus 3. The sum is the two arithmetic mean between minus 6 and 14. Now here we should understand that if we insert arithmetic mean between two numbers, then the sequence becomes AP. So I'll say let A1 and A2 be AM arithmetic mean between minus 6 and 14. So the sequence has become AP. So minus 6, A1, A2 and 14. This is your required sequence. This is an AP. So what is your first term? First term is minus 6. What is your last term? 14. What is your difference? We don't know. That is what we need to find out. So T4 is A plus 3D. T4 is 14 is equals to A is minus 6 plus 3 into D we don't know. So 20 is equals to 3D. D is 20 by 3. The first term is A plus D. A1 is actually not the first term. A1 is the second term. It is A plus D. It is minus 6 plus 20 by 3. That is 18 plus 20 by 3. That is 2 by 3. The second term, A2, is A plus 2D. It is minus 6 plus 2 into 20 by 3. Minus 6 plus 40 by 3. Minus 18 plus 40 by 3. Your answer is 22 by 3. 22 by 3 can also be written as 7 integer 1 by 3. Mixed numbers mein. So 7 into 3 will become 21 plus 1 will become 22. So this is your answer. The answer is given. B is your answer. Sum number 16 is the sum of three integers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. Sum of three integers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. How to find out? Now it is very
मैम आपकी
simple.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
So the sum is the sum of three integers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. The integers. यहाँ पे दो तरीके हैं. एक तो आप उसको सॉल्व करो 3 नंबर्स इन AP लेके, या फिर दूसरा तरीका है ऑप्शन ट्राई करो. तो ऑप्शन ट्राई करना है मतलब क्या, तीन इंटीजर की एडिशन जो है वो 15 होनी चाहिए. तो 2 + 8 + 5 15 है, लेकिन ये AP में नहीं है. अच्छा, इनका प्रोडक्ट भी 80 होना चाहिए. 2 × 8 × 5, yes it is 80, but 285 is not in AP. 825 is not in AP. 258 is AP. So your answer is C. There is one more method of solving this. You will take three numbers as A minus D, A plus D. Add them. A minus D plus A plus D. So D will get cancelled and addition is 15. 3A is equals to 15. A is equal to 5. Now we need to find out D. Now they have said that product is 80. So 5 minus D into 5 plus D is equals to 80. So 5 minus D into 5 plus D will become 80 divided by 5, that is 16. This is 25 minus D square is 16. D square will become 9. D will be plus or minus 3. So if A is 5 and D is plus or minus 3, then when D is 3, your numbers will be A minus D, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. A, that is 5, and A plus D, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8. So your numbers are 2, 5, 8. Or when D is equals to minus 3, it is A minus D, that is minus 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 it will be. 5 minus of minus 3, that will become 8. A, that is 5. A plus D, that is 5 minus 3 will become 2. So it is 8, 5 and 2. So these are your numbers. एक तो आप इस तरह से सॉल्व करो या फिर डायरेक्टली आप ऑप्शंस ट्राई करो, वो ज्यादा आसान है. आपने ऑप्शन ट्राई करने, इनकी एडिशन 15 आ रही है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन 80 आ रही है, लेकिन ये जो है ये एपी में नहीं दिख रहा है, ये भी एपी में नहीं है, ये एपी में है. सो दिस इज योर आंसर.
मैम डीबी भी तो एपी में है.
सॉरी,
फोर्थ वाला भी एपी में है.
हाँ, फोर्थ वाला भी एपी में है और थर्ड वाला भी, तो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ इज योर आंसर. The number of numbers between 74 and 25,556 divisible by 5. अब 74 भी 5 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, 25,556 भी 7 से 5 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. अब इसको एक लॉन्ग कट है. नंबर बिटवीन 74 और 25,556 डिविजिबल बाय 5. तो पहला नंबर तो 75 होगा और लास्ट का नंबर होगा 25,555. Okay, so A will be 75. Obviously D is going to be 5 because the number is divisible by 5, and Tn is 25,555. So you can find out N. So 25,555 is equals to 75 plus N minus 1 into 5. तो ये इधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. 25,555 minus 75 is 25,480 is equals to 5n minus 5. ये 5 इधर चला जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा 25,485 is equals to 5n. Your answer is n is equals to 5097. ये हो गया लॉन्ग कट मेथड या सॉल्यूशन मेथड, आप सॉल्व करके निकाल. एक छोटा सा मेथड ये भी है, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा सा राउंडिंग अप करना पड़ेगा. आपको कैल्सी दिख रहा होगा. तो you want to find out a number between 25,556 and 75, the number of numbers divisible by 5. So I'll say 25,556 minus 75 divided by 5. मुझे मिला 5096.2. मैं उसको राउंड अप करूंगी, मुझे मिलेगा 5097, and that is your answer. 5097. थोड़ा राउंड अप करना पड़ता है शॉर्टकट मेथड में, लेकिन जल्दी से आ जाता है आंसर।
मैम कल
19 term is pth term is given to you. You have to find the sum of n terms. Pth term is 3p minus 1 upon 6. तो हमको तो पहले सीक्वेंस निकालना पड़ेगा 3p minus 1 by 6. We'll first find out the sequence and then we'll find out Sn. T1 will be 3 minus 1, 2 by 6. T2 will be 5 by 6. T3 will be 8 by 6. And so on. So 2 by 6, 5 by 6, 8 by 6, and so on. Here A is 2 by 6, D is 3 by 6. I have to find out Sn. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So it is n by 2, 2 into 2 by 6, plus n minus 1, d is 3 by 6. I'm not dividing this into 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 so that I can always simplify it or divide, take 6 common. So this will be n by 2. This is 4 by 6 plus 3 by 6 n minus 1. You can take 6 common and you will get n by 12 into bracket 4 plus 3 into n minus 1. So it is n by 12, 4 plus 3n minus 3. N by 12, 3n minus plus 1. This is your answer. So n by 12, 3n plus 1. B is your answer. The first term of AP is 14 and the sum of first 5 terms and 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. You have to find out third term of AP. First term of AP is 14. T5 is equals to minus T10. So 5 by 2. Sorry, it is not T, it is S. Yes, sum. So sum of 5 terms is minus into sum of 10 terms. So that is 5 by 2, 2 into 14 plus 5 minus 1d is equals to minus 10 by 2, 2 into 14 plus 10 minus 1d. Obviously, this will get cancelled. You will get 28 plus 4d is equals to this 5 will go here. That will be minus 2. 28 plus 9d. If this 10 goes here, you will get 14 plus 2d. That is 28 plus 9d. But we have minus sign here. So 14 plus 28 is equal to minus 9d minus 2d. This is 42 is equals to minus 11d. So D will become minus 42 by 11. Now you have got A, you have got D, you have to find out T3. T3 is A plus 2D. That is, A is 14 plus 2 into minus 42 by 11. So it is 154 minus 84 upon 11. Your answer is 70 by 11. That is your T3. 70 by 11 is this. See, if you solve the 6 into 11, 66 plus 4, 70 by 11. So A is your answer. क्योंकि इसको आप मिक्स नंबर में लिखोगे तो 6 इंटीजर 4 by 11 आएगा आंसर. See, mixed number is you will divide 70 by 11. We have done this in school. 6 are 66. Denominator is 4. Sorry, remainder is 4. Quotient is 6 and divisor is 11. And we write down this as quotient into remainder upon divisor. So 6 integer 4 by 11. This is your answer.